Hello there. Hello. Good day, my friends, my fans, and everybody. Na like plenty, but na true still dey. Yes, there are many things that are true. You might have been seeing some of my posts about TikTok. I just want to quickly tell you how you can make money on TikTok. Yes, how to make money. But before you can make money on TikTok, you must have 1,000 followers. 1,000 followers. And you can get 1,000 followers within 2 or 3 days. It's much possible. And the moment you get the 1,000, you can start making money. There are a lot of ways. I will briefly make mention of them. Maybe later on my subsequent video, I will be explaining them one after the other for better understanding. Yes. So, what are the ways? Now, like what I've said, you must have 1,000 followers. That's number one. And number two, as far as that one is video likes. You make videos, maybe dancing, maybe cooking food, and you post it there. People are liking it, they are commenting. You can make money through that one as well. But one thing that is most important, before you can earn on your video, you must have 10,000 followers. You can get 10,000 followers within 1 week. It's much possible. Yes, that is what I've seen and what I can witness. You can get 10,000 followers within a week. If you mean it and you want to make it big and you have the time, you have the data, very simple. It's not hard at all. Another one is you work with artists. How do you work with artists? You don't need to go and be a backup singer. The artist will just post a song. It may be 15 seconds or 60 seconds. Just use that song. Maybe you dance to it or you do one thing. But that song, you post it. And your followers, they are liking it. People are liking it. And they will now pick about, maybe, is it 20 people? 20 people that have most like. And the list of the people, the highest will get about $100. If you are the least, you are still going to get $10. That is another thing as far as that one is concerned. So another one is going live. That is if you have 1,000 followers, you can go live. You can do a program, you can entertain your followers, your fans, and from there they can be giving you gifts. You can connect your ATM card to buy gifts. You can buy as well as 15 naira. When I started, I connect my ATM and I bought 15 naira gifts, and it's equivalent to 5 coin. And 5 coin, I can use that 5 coin to send 5 roses to anybody I wish. So you can buy 700 and 800. You can buy like 800. That one is about 70 coin. So you can give as much as 70 roses to anybody you wish. So by the time you are going live, people will be connecting using their card to buy such gifts. There are lion what about there are cub, baby lion. That one costs about 4,000, like 5,000 coin. And if you get 5,000 coin, for you to buy 5,000 coin, if you are buying 5 coin at 15 naira, calculate how much you are going to buy 5,000 coin, and somebody can give you one cub, that is a baby lion. There are lioness, big one. There are lots. There are donuts. There are confetti. There are lots there gifts. And during your connection, you can connect to baby people. You can get your destiny helper there that can lift you up through your live video. So, but the criteria is you must have 1,000 followers. You can be making money from that way. And even going live will help you to gain more followers. Within some period of time, you gain more followers and you are good to go. You understand? Another way to get money, to make money is by playing match. You challenge another creator. So your follower and the other creator followers, they will be tapping on the screen of your phone to give you points. Some people can be giving you roses or confetti or money gun, or this money gun and other things. They will be giving it to you. And by the time you are getting there, you can earn on through that one. So these are the brief way. But what is the most important is that go and connect to TikTok. Let's meet there. And I want to tell you, if you are ready, you have what it takes to make money on TikTok. Make it a deal. This next year, 2024, you can be a big girl. You can be top in Africa or beyond. So what is most important is that go and reactivate your TikTok and get ready. Ask any question. Ask any question. I will answer you. And most importantly, if you ask, if from TikTok you log in and you connect with me, you ask there, I'll be able to give you extensive. So go and do that one. TikTok is paying. It's very real. People are there. Millions. They are making money. The more your talent, the more you gain. Maybe tailor, maybe selling stuff. Apart from going live, selling that one, you can also be going live, giving other programs. It may be health. You are nurse, you are doctor, and you know how many things about health issue. Top notch. You can make it. So go and reactivate it, and you will make it.